Good morning, middle one. How are you? Today we'll answer the booklet questions classwork on lesson 3. Put right or wrong and correct the wrong one. He is the symbol of hydrogen element while H is the symbol of helium element. Wrong. He is the symbol of helium, not hydrogen, helium. While H is the symbol of hydrogen, not helium. So number 1, wrong. Instead of hydrogen, write helium. Instead of helium, write hydrogen. So helium is the symbol, He is the symbol of helium element, while H is the symbol of hydrogen element. Number 2, the number of protons is often equal to or less than the number of neutrons. The number of protons is often equal to or less than the number of neutrons. Right. Number 2, right. Number 3, the mass number is written below the symbol of the element on the left side. The mass number is written below the symbol of the element on the left side. Wrong. Mass number is written up the symbol, not below the symbol. Okay, number 3, wrong. Instead of below, write up. Number 4, the energy level K has the highest energy. The energy level K has the highest energy. Wrong. Energy level K has the lowest energy. Has the lowest energy. Number 5, the fourth energy level N is saturated with 32 electrons. The fourth energy level N is saturated with 32 electrons. Right. Saturated with 32 N, right. Number 6, the outermost energy level of calcium contains 6 electrons. Wrong. The outermost energy level of calcium contains 2 electrons. When we do an electronic configuration, the first energy level take 2, second 8, third 8, the last one 2. So the outermost energy level of calcium contains 2 electrons. Wrong. Number 7, all noble gases are active elements. Wrong. Noble gases inactive. Inactive. All noble gases are inactive elements. Number 7, wrong. Okay. Write the scientific term of each of the following. The positively charged particles in the nucleus of an atom. Positively charged, so it's what? Protons. Number 1, protons. Number 1, protons. Number 2, neutral particle exists in the nucleus of an atom. Neutral, neutrons, neutral, neutrons. So number 2, neutral particles exist in the nucleus of the atom. Neutrons. Number 1, protons. Number 2, neutrons. Number 3, the energy level that has the highest energy. Highest energy, Q, the last energy level. So here, the energy level that has the highest energy level, Q level. Q level. Number 4, the atom that gains a quantum of energy. Atom that gains a quantum of energy. Excited atom. Excited atom. Number 4, excited atom. Number 5, the gases that don't take part in the chemical reaction. The gases that don't take part in chemical reaction. Noble gases. Noble gases. Between brackets, inactive gases. Noble gases. Noble gases. Between brackets, inactive gases. inactive gases. Number 6. Elements which have less than 8 electrons in the outermost energy level. Elements which have less than 8. Active elements. Less than 8, so it's what? Active elements. Active elements. Okay? Worksheet for homework. I will answer now the worksheet for homework. Complete the following statements. AU is the symbol of gold. AU is the symbol of gold element. AU is the symbol of gold element. While AG is the symbol of silver element. While AG is the symbol of silver element. AU gold, AG silver. Number 2. The mass number is the sum of Dot's number and Dot's number. The mass number is the sum of protons number and the neutrons number. Protons and neutrons. Protons and neutrons. Number 3. As we go farther from the nucleus, the energy of the levels. As we go farther from the nucleus, the energy of the levels increases. As we go farther, the energy of the levels increases. Increases. Number 4. When an electron transfers from M level to N level. When it dots a quantum from M to N, K, L, M, N. M is the third, N fourth, to transfer from N to N when it gains a quantum. Gains a quantum. Gains a quantum of energy. But when it transfers from P level to Q level, when it what? From B to Q. Loses a quantum. 4. Dots number 1 gains, dots number 2 loses. Loses a quantum of energy. When an electron transfers from M level to N level, when it gains a quantum of energy. But when it transfers from P to Q, when it loses a quantum of energy. Number 5. The outermost energy level of chlorine atom contains dots electrons. 7 electrons. The outermost is the last one. In chlorine, 2, 8, 7. So the outermost contains 7 electrons. So it's considered from active elements. So it's considered from active elements. Okay? Give reason for the following. Carbon is symbolized by 1 letter while calcium symbolized by 2 letters. Due to the similarity, of the first letter of both of them. Due to similarity of the first letter for both of them. Number 2, the number of electrons in the outermost energy level in lithium. The number of electrons in outermost energy level in lithium atom. Let number 2 now. Number 3, atoms of active elements take part in the chemical reactions. Atoms of active element take part in the chemical reaction. Because the outermost energy level contains less than 8 electrons. Atoms of active element take part in chemical reaction because the outer energy level contains less than 8 electrons. Between brackets, doesn't completely filled, between brackets doesn't completely filled, so it can enter the chemical reaction and change it into stable atom, and change it into stable atom. In general, to be stable, because the outermost energy level contains less than 8 electrons. Write the name of the elements of the following samples. H, hydrogen. Number 2, He, helium. Number 3, Au, gold. Number 4, Ag, silver. Number 5, Bb, lead. Number 6, S, sulfur. Number 7, Si, silicon. Number 8, Ar, argon. Number 9, I, iodine. Number 10, Cu, copper. 11, Pr, bromine. 12, C, carbon. 13, I can see Hg or He. If it He, helium. If it Hg, mercury. Hg, mercury. 14, Fe, iron. 15, O, oxygen. 16, Ne, neon. Okay? Question number 2, in give reason, I can see the second part in this question, so I will answer this question with you in class. Okay? Thank you, Madam One. Goodbye.